This is example from the lesson pair of linear equation in two variables. So we are going to solve some problems using elimination method. So this is the second problem. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by the elimination method. So the first problem is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? To start the solution, so what is asked actually, what is the fraction? So the format of fraction is x by y. So let the fraction be x by y. Here the first question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. So let me write the linear equation for the first scenario. So if you add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction will reduce to 1. So this is the first equation. Okay, the next sentence is, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? Which means no addition in the numerator, only we add 1 to the denominator, it will reduce to 1 by 2. This is our second linear equation. Let's reduce this equation as x plus 1 equals y minus 1, which is equal x minus y equal minus 1 minus 1, which gives me x minus y equals minus 2. This is our first equation. I just converted to the standard form. So let me try the second one. So cross multiply, which is 2x equal y plus 1. So 2x minus y equal 1. This is our second equation. So let's try to eliminate one term. So here the first term, in the first equation the term y minus y, in the second equation the term minus y. If you subtract these two equations, we will get the y term will get eliminated, is it? So I am going to subtract. To subtract, I am going to change the sign. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So let's cut this term. So remaining x equal, so here minus x, sorry, okay. So here minus 3. So if I cut the negative sign, x equals 3. Let's substitute in equation 1. So this equation, not this. So 3 minus y equals minus 2. So minus y equal minus 2 minus 3, which is minus 5. So y equals 5. So the fraction is x by 5, which is 3 by 5. Let's try to do the second problem. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? Let's assume present age of Noori equals x, Sonu equal y. Look at the first scenario. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So 5 years ago, Noori age is x minus 5. Is it? So 5 years we reduced 5 years from x. So Sonu age is also y minus 5. 5 years So we reduced 5 years from the present age. So according to the question, the 5 years ago, the Noori age, which is x minus 5, is 3 times Sonu age, which is 3 into y minus 5. So x minus 5 equals 3y minus 15. So x minus 3y equals minus 15 plus 5. So x minus 3y equals minus 10. This is what our first equation. Let's see the second statement. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So 10 years later, Noori age was x plus 10. We just add 10 years from the current age. So we just add 10 years with the current age. So next Sonu age after 10 years. So y plus 10. So according to the question, after the 10 years later, Noori age, which is x plus 10, equals 2 times the Sonu age, which is y plus 10. Let me multiply inside 2y plus 20, which gives me x minus 2y equals 20 minus 10. So x minus 2y equals 10. This is our second equation. So this is what our new equation, two equations. So look at the two equations. If you to eliminate any term, if you subtract these two, see the first term, which is x, will get eliminated. So for that I am going to subtract the second equation from the first equations. Let me change the sign. So minus plus, here minus. So let me cut the first term. So here minus y equals minus 20. So let me cut the negative sign. Y equals 20. Let's substitute in equation 2 or 1. So okay, 2. So x minus 2y equals 10. So x minus 2 into 20 equals 10. So x minus 40 equals 10. So x equals 50. So Noori age is 50 and Sonu age is 20. So let's solve the third problem. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So the two-digit number, all two-digit number has two places, which is unit place, then tens place. So let's assume unit digit as x and tens digit as y. Then how to write the number? The number is, for the unit digit I write x, for the 10 digits I write 10y, because the 10 digits always multiply by 10, is it? So this is what number. Number equals 10y plus x. So this is what the actual number. So after reversing the number will become, the unit digits go to the tens place and tens digit go to the units place. So which will become 10x plus y. For example 45. So after reversing, 5 will come to the tens place. So 4 will go to the ones place. So 5, 4, 54. So this is what we obtained here. So using the variables. So according to the questions, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9, which is very easy. Sum of the two digit is x plus y equals 9. So what is the second statement? Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So first, look at the first statement. 9 times this number is. which is 9 into the number is 10y plus x. This is what the number. We consider 10y plus x as a number. So 9 times this number, which is equals 2 times. So look at the statement. The number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. So which is twice the reversing the order of the number. Okay, the next calculation is going to be very easy. If you multiply inside 90y plus 9x equals 20x plus 2y. So let's rearrange all the x and y. So 90y I bring minus plus 2y to this side, so minus 2y equals 20x minus 9x, which is 88y equals 11x, still not in the standard format. So let me write 11x minus 88y equals 0. So we can take 11 as the common number. So x minus 8y equals 0, which is x minus 8y equals 0. Because the 11 go to the other side, so 0 by 11 automatically it will become 0. So I write it directly. So this is what our second equation. So what is our first equation? What is our first equation? Which is x plus y equal 9. Second equation, x minus 8y equals 0. First one, this is second one. So look at here. So what we supposed to do to eliminate one term? I think we subtract. If we subtract this, this will go. So I am going to change the sign, minus. So this will go. So 9y equals 9. So y equals 1. Then let's substitute y in equation, y value in equation 1. So this equation I am going to substitute. So x plus 1 equals 9, x equals 8. 9 minus 1, 8.